Luxury meets precision. Welcome to the all-new 2026 Lexus NX. Lexus has redefined sophistication, and today we dive into this stunning next-generation crossover that turns heads and raises the bar. The front of the 2026 Lexus NX immediately catches the eye. Its iconic spindle grille has evolved, sharper, bolder, and seamlessly blends into the body lines. Sleek, three-beam LED headlights with arrow-shaped daytime running lights create a futuristic, almost predatory look. Every angle exudes confidence and refinement. From the side, the NX perfectly balances elegance and athleticism. Sculpted lines flow gracefully toward the rear, while bold fenders and large wheels emphasize its sporty stance. Lexus engineers have refined aerodynamics, making the NX not only beautiful, but also quiet on the road. The rear is where the 2026 NX truly shines. A wide LED light bar stretches across the rear, blending with the sleek taillights for a unified, futuristic look. The Lexus logo replaces the traditional logo, a modern touch that adds a luxurious yet understated feel. With dual exhausts and sleek bumper lines, the NX exudes power from every angle. Under the hood, the 2026 NX offers a variety of engines to suit every driver. A 2.5-liter hybrid delivers smooth efficiency, along with a more powerful 2.4-liter turbocharged engine that produces around 275 horsepower. Both come with the option of all-wheel drive, ensuring control and confidence in any condition. And for those concerned about the environment, Lexus will reportedly offer an upgraded plug-in hybrid version, the NX 450h Plus, with improved electric range. Step inside, and you'll experience a whole new world of luxury. The 2026 NX's interior is swathed in premium leather, and that terracotta color scheme you see here, it's simply stunning. The driver-focused cockpit puts everything within reach, from the 12.3-inch touchscreen with Lexus interface to the digital instrument cluster and ambient lighting that changes according to your mood. Comfort meets innovation through heated and ventilated seats, a premium Mark Levinson audio system, and advanced driver assistance through the Lexus Safety System 3.0. Every inch feels purposefully designed for elegance and purpose. The 2026 Lexus NX is expected to start at around $42,000 for the base model, while high-end hybrid and plug-in variants will reach $60,000 depending on trim and options. Its official launch is scheduled for early 2026, and it will be available in global showrooms shortly after its North American debut. So, what do you think of the 2026 Lexus NX? Has Lexus struck the perfect balance between power, luxury, and technology? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest car reviews. We have more next-generation cars coming soon.